Good morning, traders. Thanks for clicking on the video. So it's July 8th. It's about 10:15. The market's been trending down. We've gotten below VWAP. We're trending below the 14 simple moving average. We broke this trend. So what I was looking for was the market to make a equal low, right around here, right around where it's at, right around the 704. If we could start to pull back from here, I would get some calls and try to ride it back up. Let's see what it's going to do. So it's breaking through. And so one of the ways that I play equal lows as the market breaks through is I can jump in on that next candle, right? If it's going to continue, I could jump in on this next candle, or what I prefer to do is to wait for the retest. So here, it broke through. We're trying to see if the market's going to pull straight back through, right? And continue on up. But you can tell that it's not doing that. Looks like it wants to go further down. And so I just wait. Now you could have jumped into this red candle at any point, but I prefer to wait for the retest. So whether you're trading equal highs or equal lows, once it breaks, you can either get into that next candle or wait for the retest. All right, so it broke, you got into here, or you let it come down so you can actually see what the market is doing. Well, it's pulling, it's going lower. Now I'm looking to see if the market's gonna actually pull back up here and retest, right? Retest this pivot point right at the 704. Now if it retests and it continues on down, then I'll jump into some puts that I have loaded up. Now this blue line here, this is where I think the market wants to go. The market just has a tendency of doing these break and retest. All right, you see it start to pull up again. And some people might think, hey, time to go long. It's reversing, it's going back up. Nope, it's just a retest. All right, we're hitting that 704. You can see it pull right back. Start to go back down and I jump in. All right, I just left my sell order out there to see if it'll get hit. There you go, it got hit. And I'm just looking for 50 cents, right? I'm just scalping 50 cents. 2 contracts, 50 cents, low risk. Either I'll lose $50 or I'll make $100. And for me, that's a good bet. You can see the market starting to come back down. Looking for it to hit my sell order. And this is my sell order. Just about there. Just a little more push. A little more push down. Come on. You know, the volume's low. There you go. Bang. Just got it. All right. It hit me. So I just made $50. Or correction, I just made $100. Now let's see if the market continues on. Continues going lower. smooth that down a little. There you go. So as I said earlier, I thought it was going to go to this blue line. It was actually target 1 of the fibs. Yeah, if I would have held, I'd probably make another 50 cents. Made $200, but $100 is good. I could buy groceries. Now I could have went 5, 10 contracts, but you know the market's been really choppy lately. Just lowering my risk. All right, so we're hitting that blue line. That's probably where it's going to stop and turn around. All right, on to the next trade.
I'm only here for the party.